traditional organizations, a business will calculate the required product or information for each month and produce it all at once. This is known as mass production. For example, a company with products X, Y, and Z would calculate the total amount of each product for the month and then would produce all of product X before moving on to production of product Y and then Z. This type of production scheduling is frequently referred to as Shish-Kabob Production because much like your favorite shish kebab, each product is produced or eaten in chunks. There are 3 different types of shish kebab production. Mass production. This is where all of one product is produced before moving on to the next. Then the next type is segmented production. This is further divided into daily needs or batches. And finally, mixed modal production. This production method is the practice of making, assembling, or producing several different parts or products in varying lot sizes so that the organization produces close to the same mix of products or services that will be sold on the same day. When you are leveling production, the customer ultimately determines and drives everything. This means that the final process in your sequence determines how many of each of your products is made to match customer demand. In addition to this, that demand is mixed evenly so as to ensure the proper production amounts are performed daily using mixed modal production. This ensures that the quantities that are produced are smooth, level, and in proper repetitive sequence. In later modules, we'll also discuss the rate at which products need to be produced to keep things level. Remember, leveling is fundamental to both just-in-time production and pull systems. We'll see you in the next module.